Why hello there. Today we look at the premier Farrer Seagrave and Cobb. Welcome to Horology Headline News, your fastest source of information on new watches. This time let's dive into the rabbit hole of microbrands. Farrer Universal designs its watches in Britain, but manufactures those in Switzerland. Apparently the Farrer's answer to a question, "Sir, would you like a chronograph?" or "Maybe you'd rather want a GMT," is simply yes. Both models are in fact monopusher chronographs with a GMT complication. Let's make it simple. There's just one pusher. It starts, then stops, then resets the chronograph. You have a central chronograph, second hand, and a 30-minute counter on the upper subdial. The bottom one is just running seconds. And then there's a classic GMT fourth hand with 24-hour markers on the chapter ring. Funky, isn't it? What makes it possible is a Sellita SW536 MMP movement. It is hand wound and, with the quick set date, it is so-called caller GMT. It means you can adjust the GMT hand independently, but you have to hack the watch to do it. If the black gravel dial of Seagrave is just too plain for you, the playful Cobb takes the design to a true Farrer level. This brand is all about colors. Just check the rest of their catalog. And Cobb is no different. It's fun. It's out there. It is as far from serious business as you can be before turning into flat-out ridiculous. Regardless which dial you'll find more appealing, check the details of the case finish, the different textures, the brass plug on the crown. Can you believe it is only a microbrand? Looked down by the horology giants with centuries of history, and yet beating them at their own game by providing a true watch lovers as opposed to watch investors, pardon my French, with a high-quality, Swiss-made product at a truly reasonable price. As usual for a microbrand, Farrer watches are only available online with a free return option. Link in the description. Do check Farrer's straps, the choice is just insane. At HHN, we hope you didn't mind us mono-pushing you into a microbrand. Please let us know if you want to see more of those. See you in the next one.